Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Okay, really? Today this is a Christmas gift. I'm gonna show you how to embed YouTube Shorts on Bricks Builder. Let's just jump into Bricks. Okay, it's no surprise we're back into Bricks and we are gonna be going into our section, and where you want to add your video, just click here and go to the plus. You can search for video. Here it is. We can just click on it. And here we have our beautiful video showing up. All right, but that's not really what we want. We want it to be on the portrait mode. So how do we do this? Let's just go to your video and we're going to go straight into the CSS. Let's go and target the root, and we're going to simply put aspect ratio. And here we're going to put 9/16 and boom. Now let's see how it works when we actually put a short video in there. Let's go to content. And in the content, I'm going to put the video ID. It's a video from my friend Lex, as you can see. And voila, that's so simple. And when we go check it in the front end, let's go to the 23rd of December and we can see we have here our Lex. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be very happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tricks for bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!